Welcome students to the maths class. So today we are going to learn a new topic which is HCF. Now we'll see what is HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both the number without leaving any remainder. Now finding HCF. How we are going to find out the HCF? There are two methods to find out HCF. One is to find HCF using common factors, and the second one is to find HCF using prime factorization. This prime factorization we have seen in yesterday's topic where we have done prime factorization. We are just going to there we have used only one number. While finding HCF, we are going to use two numbers. Let's see to find HCF using common factors. Example, find the HCF using common factors. 12 and 18. We are going to find out HCF of these two numbers. So let's see the solution. Factors of 12 are means 12 comes in which all table, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 12 comes in all these numbers table. Factors of 18. Now 18 comes in which table? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now children, you can see there are some common numbers which come in both the numbers, which is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we'll just mark this 1, 2, 3 and 6. So what is the common factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now in this common factor, the number which is biggest. Now which is the bigger number? This is the 6 is the biggest number. So what is the HCF of 8, 12 and 18? Yes, you are right. It is 6. See children, I have told you the full form of HCF. Highest common factor. So which is the highest in common factors? That will be your HCF. Let's see one more example. Find the HCF using common factors 8 and 16. We'll just have to see factors of 8. Now 8 comes in which all table? It comes in 1 ka table, 2 ka table, 4 ka table and 8 ka table. Now we'll see which table 16 comes. Yes, 16 comes in 1 ka table, 2 ka table, 4, 8 and 16 ka table. Now which is the common factors in this? It is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. So these are the common which comes in both these two numbers. Let's see the common factors. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now tell me children, what is the HCF of 8 and 16? Yes, you are right. It is 8. As I have already told you, the highest common factor, like the highest number in this common factor will be your HCF. Let's move on to find HCF using prime factorization. Children, we have seen this method in yesterday's content. Let's see. Find the HCF using prime factorization method. The numbers are 24 and 36. So first we'll do the prime factorization. I hope you remember this method. I have told you yesterday 24. Now 24 we should take in first 2. It comes in 2 table. 2 12s are 24. Then again 2 it will come in 12 comes in 2 table. 2 6 are 12. Next comes in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 will come in which table? Yes, you are right. It comes in 3 table. 3 ones are 3. So till we get 1, we have to do this method. Now we'll find the HCF of 36, like prime factorization of 36. So 36 comes in 2 table. 2 18s are 36. Then again 2 9s are 18. Next 3. Now this 9 doesn't come in 2 table. Yes, it comes in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Got it? Now we'll just see. Therefore, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we'll find the common factors. Not factors, we can say here common numbers. So common numbers is equal to, see these two are common, again these two are common, and then 3 are common, right? So we'll write therefore HCF is equal to, here we are not going to write common, we'll just write HCF is equal to, see this. Whichever underlying numbers are there, we'll take here 2 into 2 into 3. So we'll multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the HCF of 24 and 36? Yes, it is 12. Let's move on. One more example we'll take. Find the HCF using prime factorization method of 28 and 32. Let's see. 28. 28 comes in 2 table. 2 14s are 28. Then 2 7s are 14. Then 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now 32. 2 16s are 32. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So therefore 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what are the common numbers? Yes, 2 and this 2, because here is 7 and here are 2. So no common numbers. So therefore HCF will be 2 into 2. Whatever the numbers are underlined, only that will take here. So answer is 4. 2 2s are 4. So children, if you have understood this, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.